Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Fancy from LOL Dolls. So let's get started. To draw this cute doll, let's first start by drawing a bottom of a U for her face. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw shallow and very wide. So I'm going to come right across, nice and big. So about right here. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So about right here's my center, and then I'm going to go right back up. So it's just nice, wide, and shallow. There, so something like that. Then from there, now that we have this in, we're going to come to the edge right here. We're going to draw a big draw so cute eye. So big circle towards the edge. And another one on the other side. So about right here. Same thing. There. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have these huge eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and we're going to spruce them up. So about right here, I'm going to come out with a thick lash and shade this in. And then on the sides, I'll just add maybe 3 smaller ones. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, I'm going to curve out a thick lash and then 3 smaller ones. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw her brow. So right on top, so say about right here, I'm just going to thicken and elongate this teardrop shape for their brow. So same thing about right here. From there, now that we have her eyes, let's go ahead and draw her mouth. So right in between, about right here, I'm just going to draw a small little curve for a sweet smile. And cap it off. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the sides right here. And we're just gonna pop in this little ear right here. So just draw a curve and 2 small curves inside for some details. And same thing over here. So about right here, just a small curve and the inside. Then from there, let's start to frame her face and draw her hair. So I'm gonna bring this up. I'm going to curve it in and do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, just easier for my hand on this side to come down. So let's keep going. I'm going to bring this in and same thing here. And so now that I have it pretty centered, I'm going to come right here and draw her bangs. So right in this space, I'm going to draw a curve. And same thing here, just draw this curve right here. And towards the bottom, right above her brow, I'm just gonna wobble a little bit, all the way across. There. And then let's come to the top, and then we're just gonna draw some curves at the top to create the shape for her bangs. And then just gonna come down. So just notice a slight curve. Then from there, I'm just going to lightly draw some details. So I'll just do the center one first. And then curve down. And same thing on this side. We're going to go the opposite way. From there, let's go ahead and draw her headband. So I'm going to come right back to here, and we're going to go up with a curve right above her bangs. So say about right here, towards our center, and then we're going to bring it right back down. Just like the other side. Bring it all the way back down. And just taper it in. Then we're going to do this one more time, just to thicken up our band. And go up. So notice it's thinner on this side and then thicker at the top. So it's the same thing, and we're just going to taper it in. There. Okay, and then we have this big bow we need to draw. So right in the center, so about right here, I'm just going to wobble this little curve in the center and then bring down the curve for the center of our bow. And then I'm going to go up nice and big. So say about right here, I'll stop and then bring it down and tuck it in. So it's just about the same width as our head. So same thing over here. Just gonna bring this up nice and high. I'll just drag this point across since I'm drawing pretty big. So say about right here. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going, and then just like the other side, we're just gonna bring it down. There. And then let's draw the inside for our bow, some details, the creases, and we're just gonna draw 2 loops right here. And then the top of her hair, so about in this space right here, I'm just going to draw this curve over. And then just imagine this is coming through. We still have part of her hair we need to draw just to make it a little bit fuller. And here as well. So same thing, and just tuck it in. There, finally done with her head. Okay, so then now let's draw her cute little outfit. I'm going to find the center and just give it a little curve right here for her neckline, and then I'm going to come to the sides. Her neck is about here, and then I'm going to come right here, skip a little bit of space, and I'm going to come down with a slight angle. There. Then from there, let's come over here. We're going to draw some shoulders, some poofy shoulders, and bring it in, and then come out with some ruffles. So same thing here, just poof this part out, tuck it in, and some ruffles. So now that we know kind of like we're going to put her waist about right here, before I do that, I'm going to come to the center and draw this bow. So let's find center about right here, and I'm going to draw this big bow that comes out right in this space. If you're using a pencil, you can just draw the band across first for her waist. So let's come in here, some detail, just a little loop right here, and then we can go ahead and connect everything and give it a little band right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw her skirt part. So we're going to poof this out nice and wide, and same thing here. So the wider you poof it out, the less we need to draw for her hands. So say about right there. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a shallow curve and back up. So the center is always lower and goes right back up. And then we're going to draw some ruffles at the bottom, right here and here, and I'm just going to wobble my way across. There. And for some details, you can come in here and there with some crease lines. And some here too. There. From there, since her hands are pretty simple, let's go ahead and do that right here, draw that. So we're just going to come down following this angle, and then we're going to curve it out and then just tuck it in. So same thing here. And tuck it in. Nice and simple, right? And you know what? I'm just going to bring this in all the way just to simplify it. There. Okay, so then now to draw her feet. So let's come right here. We're going to center it. So let's say here and here, make sure. And let's work on this side. I'm going to angle it down. This is going to come in. So just thinner at the ankle. And because she has socks, I'm going to stop about right there, cut it off, and then give a little ruffle for her socks, and then continue out. So I'm going to bring a pair of shoes in towards the center. So let's draw this side as well. So we're just going to follow the other side. Right there, connect, a ruffle for her socks. And so then this side, I just want to make sure our center is about right here, and I'm just going to stop right there and then angle in there. So just having her feet angle in. And then this side, same thing, but it's just we're not going to see the toe part. And here as well. There. And then for some details, just come in here with some soles. Right there. There. Okay, so then now that we're done with her feet, I think we're pretty much done, right? And that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute Fancy from LOL Surprise Dolls. I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe, of course, so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.